Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a 1965 Vette in the shop. Now we went to pick up this car. This is a literal barn find. This is a 65 Vette. It is a survivor car. It hasn't ran since the 70s. It is really an amazing, amazing car. Now, there's a lot of videos that I'm going to be putting here that you guys can see different angles of how it looks. It looks exactly how it was. It's been in a barn. So we're actually going to be completely bringing this car completely back to life, as best as it's going to get with all of its original parts. So all of the chrome bumpers are going to be staying. All of this paint, we're going to be polishing it very, very carefully and trying to restore this to exactly what it can be with all the parts it has on it without swapping anything. The inside's in rough condition as well, but we're going to do everything we can to what we got to work with. So we'll take you guys in on a before walk around so you guys can see it. Come on in, and we'll keep you guys tuned through the process and show you the after results. We'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.